Hello my students, Period 1, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 7 from معاصر book, second term, model number 7 in this year 2025. First group shows the correct answer from the given ones. Space divided by 9x power 2y equals 3xy power 2. We want to find the dividend. The dividend equal divisor multiplication by the quotient. So the dividend will be equal 9x power 2y product by 3xy power 2. Alright, 9x power 2y product by 3x y power 2. Then 3 times 9 equal 27 and x power 2 times x equal x power 3 and y times y power 2 equal y power 3. Next question, which of the following number is not in scientific notation? We know any number in scientific notation is this number, a product by 10 power n. In here, absolute value of it greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10, and 10 and n belonging to integers. So the false answer will be letter what? Letter D, because its absolute value of negative 15, it will be 15 greater than 10, not lies between this interval. Then you must choose letter D about this example. Next question, rhombus has one diagonal of length 10 and area 40 square centimeter. Thus, the length of the other diagonal will be what we will find the other diagonal. We know the area equal half product by diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. He gives us in this example the area was 40. 40 equal half product by first diagonal will be 10 and second diagonal I don't know it. Then 40 equal half of 10 equal 5. 5 times d, then diagonal 2 equal 8. Equal 8 centimeter. Next question, we want to find the cubic root of square root of 64. Cubic root of square root of 64 equal 8. Cubic root of 8 equal 2. Next question number 5, if x belonging to z, which of the following is solution equality about this? 1 subtract by 2x less than 3, we can move 1 to left hand side, from left hand side to right hand side, then negative 2x less than 3 minus 1 equal 2, and then we can divide the coefficient and convert the direction of the inequality. 2 divided by negative 2 negative 1 and negative 2x divided by negative 2 equal x. So the solution set here greater than negative 1 0 1 2 to infinity, then the solution set here will be 0. Choose letter E. Next question, number 6. What is the result of subtracting a minus b power 2 from e plus b power 2? We have the median and subtrahend. A for power 2 we call this the median. Then plus b power 2 subtract by a minus b or power 2. We can find the difference between them. We can write first power 2 and second power 2 and the median write positive 2 times a times b to ab. Subtract by first power 2 and second power 2 and the middle 2 times a times b. Then we can write a power 2 plus 2ab plus b power 2. Negative a power 2 negative times negative positive 2ab negative times positive negative b power 2, and then we can cancel them together. Then 2ab plus 2ab equal 4ab. It's the result. Next question, which of the following equals negative 4 power 2? We can write negative and 4 times 4 equals 16. A card carrying a letter from the name Fatima is drawn randomly. What is the probability that letter M? We have letter M here 1. From how many letter? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits or 6? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 over 6. Okay, in Arabic Fatima 1 2 3 4 5, but in English Fatima. In Arabic 1 over 5, in English 1 over 6. So the result will be here 1 over 6. Okay, 1 over 6. Automatic about this example. Okay, this is the image of the point A and B by translation. X and y convert to x plus 2 and y minus 3. We must x here, cancel x and with a. Then the result will be a plus 2 and y will be p minus 3. Okay. Example. Find the image of the square B y mx by rotation followed by another rotation. Okay, by angle 90 degree. We have the square. Okay, like this. We have P, C, and Z, and D, and L, and A, and X. Now we can find the rotation about this triangle, this square. We have a square. Look at here. We want to find the rotation around the center M by angle 90 degree. 90 degree is the inverse, 90 inverse of direction. Okay, because the sign here was positive direction, inverse of the clockwise. Then the image of, he won't find the image of square BYMX. B will going to A, 90 degree. The image, the first image will be A. Okay, 90 degree. And Y, where Y? Y here, going to X, going here. Y going to X. And X will go to L. And M constant here because the original point. And again we can rotation. فاهمين يا ولاد؟ اقول تاني. بصوا يا حبايبي، عايز اعمل روتيشن 90 و 90 و 90 يعني اعمل ايه؟ هاخد الاول البدايه بتاعت البي اعملها 90 الاول، تلف كده تروح لاكس. بعد كده الواي الروتيشن بتاعها 90 تيجي عند الاكس. تاني كده البي تروح لمين؟ للاي. تاني كده البي الروتيشن بتاعها اهو 90 ديجري تيجي هنا عند الاي، والواي تروح للاكس. طيب الام زي ما هي. طب الاكس روتيشن هيجي عند ال. خلاص يبقى انا عملت ايه؟ السكوير الاول. عايز اعمل روتيشن تاني بقى، هاجي بقى الايه اعملها روتيشن 90 هتيجي لمين؟ للدي اهو. خد بالك الايه هتيجي عند الدي حوالين الام ب 90 كده. طب الاكس تروح فين؟ الاكس هتنزل لل 90 هتعمل 90 ديجري. طب ال هتروح فين؟ هتنزل للزد. طب الام تبقى ثابته. يبقى اجابتك النهائيه دي ال زد ام. دي الاجابه ايه؟ النهائيه الكويشن بتاعنا. بعد كده عايزين نرسم بقى التراينجل بتاعنا. هنجيب بقى الادوات بتاعتنا كومباس و رولر ونشتغل. First step we must draw LM equal 3 centimeter. هنبدأ هنا start from 0 to 3. LM equal 3 centimeter. And measure of angle L equal 90 degree. We must put the center at the point here. And 90 degree. Draw this ray. And measure of angle M equals 30. degree, and this 90. LM 3 centimeter, and this 90. We want to find the length of MN. We can use the ruler to find the length. It will be 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Find the quotient of x power 3 plus x plus 10. We have x power 3. We can write the space here because we have it x power 2. And write x and write 10 divided by x plus 2. X power 3 divided by x equal x power 2. X power 2 times x equal x power 3. X power 2 times 2 equal to x power 2. And then find the difference between them. Write negative 2x power 2 plus x plus 10. Negative 2x power 2 divided by x equal negative 2x. And then negative 2x times x equal negative 2x power 2. Negative 2x times 2 equal negative 4x. And then find the difference between them. 1x plus 4x equal 5x plus 10 divided 5x divided by x equal 5. 5 times x 5x, 5 times 2 equal 10, and then find the difference. Then the quotient will be x power 2 subtract by 2x plus 5. Next question, find solution set in Z about this inequality. 2 product by x plus 5 subtract by 3 less than 12. 2 times 5 x equal to x, 2 times 5 equal 10, minus 3 less than 12. Next step, to x plus 10, and 10 minus 3 equals 7 less than 12. So 2x less than 12 minus 7 equal 5, and then we can divide it by coefficients, and x less than 5 over 2. We know 5 over 2 equal 2.5. Then the solution set in Z less than 2, it will 2 and a half, you have 2 and a half. Less than 2 and a half, it will be 2, 1, 0. Okay, less than 2 and a half. Then the solution set here is Z 2, 1, 0 to infinity. Understood? Next question. Arrange the following number extend the order. First number 7 by 10 power 5 equals 7, and put 50 behind it, 700,000. 7.8 times 10 power 8, we can write 7, 8 and write 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 780 million. And what about 1.1 times 10 power 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 110 million. And 54 product by 10 power 4. 54, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the smallest number here would be 1, 22, and this number would be 3, and this number will be 4. Okay, ascending order. Next question, number 6. Trapezium has an area of 63 square feet, and the length of its parallel beams are 10 feet and 8 feet. Calculate its height. We know the area equal half product by the sum of piece 1 and piece 2 times corresponding height. The area was 63 equal half product by sum of 2 pieces. Okay, 10 first and second base 8. Then 10 times 8, 18 divided by 2 equal 9. Then 63 equal 9 product by h. Then height equal 8 equal 7 centimeter. Okay, next question. A bag contains one red ball. Okay, one red ball. Red ball, we can write here R reverse to red, and 1, we have one red ball, then the space randomly here contained of red and blue, red and blue and green. Okay, if a ball is drawn randomly from the bag and its color, observe. Okay, we can find the probability that the drawing balls. First step, we have in this example number of all balls 6 plus 3 plus 1 equal 10. 10 balls. Then the probability of blue probability of blue equal number of blue balls. We have 6 over 10. The result will be 3 over 5. And probability of red or probability of red here was how the red, one red ball over 10, and probability of blue or green, we can write 6 plus 3 equal 9 over 10. Okay, understood? It's last question.